In today's video, I'm going to teach you steps to attach an object to an animated character. By the end, you'll have an object that follows a character's movement cleanly and reliably, without drifting or breaking your animation. Start by selecting the object you want to attach in your object manager. This is your scene's roadmap, showing everything in a clear hierarchy. Click the object so it's highlighted, and make sure it's the correct one before moving on. A quick tip: rename it clearly so you can spot it easily as your scene grows. Next, make the object a child of the specific joint you want it to follow. In the Object Manager, drag the object and drop it directly onto the desired joint, sometimes called a bone. You'll see it indent under that joint, confirming the parent-child relationship. This is the key step. Parenting tells the software that your object should inherit the joint's motion, rotation, and scale so it moves in sync with that body part. With the object still selected, position and rotate it to sit exactly where you want on the character. Use your move and rotate tools to line it up. Switching to the object's local coordinates can help you orient it intuitively, especially if the joint is angled. If you need precision, zoom in, scrub the timeline a little to see how it sits during motion, and nudge it as needed. Snapping tools can help you align edges or pivot points, but keep adjustments simple and focused so you don't introduce unwanted offsets. The goal is a natural, convincing placement that looks right from key camera angles. Now play the animation from your timeline. You should see the object follow the joint seamlessly as the character moves. If something looks off, maybe a bit of clipping or a slight offset, pause, reposition, and replay. Parenting is non-destructive, so you can keep fine-tuning position and rotation after the attachment without breaking anything. A few helpful reminders as you work. The Object Manager hierarchy matters. The object must sit as a child under the joint you intend. You can always adjust the attachment after parenting. Small tweaks often make a huge visual difference, and if you need more than one object on the same joint, simply duplicate the object and place each copy under that joint. They'll all inherit the same motion, letting you build layered detail quickly. That's it. Select, parent, position, and play. Save your scene, and enjoy the clean, dependable attachment that moves right along with your animated character.